girl Breezy Beauty, and me and my husband are out to go work out. Sorry that I look a mess because there's no need to look all cute when you're about to go to the gym. So, of course, I'm the one that's gonna be driving, and you're gonna have to hold the camera and vlog this whole time because I'm gonna be driving. So yeah. I got my husband. I don't know. I can't even flip. I don't even know if I can flip the camera. Okay. Huh? Oh yeah, Family Dollar. The one in Hope?
No. Ain't we going to the one on Saginaw?
Oh yeah, you're right.
The one on Saginaw, real talk, is closer anyway, per mile.
I told you that. But nobody listens to me.
To tell you the exact mileage, the one on Saginaw is 0.8 miles closer, so it's literally
Put your seatbelt.
it's basically 1 mile closer.
Okay. I can't breathe. This thing got me all vlog. Looking at the camera. Oh. Why are you trying to look cute? You're supposed to be vlogging.
I am vlogging.
You're not vlogging.
So y'all tell me what y'all think. Yeah, my name is Abdullah.
Oh yeah, they don't know you.
Abdullah Akil. Yeah. Well, go ahead and introduce myself for the first time. My name is Abdullah Akil. I am definitely a practicing Muslim. You know, in this country, they try to give us a bad name, but we ain't the ones shooting up the school, so you know we can't be doing all that, man.
And my husband will be having his own YouTube channel
Very soon, my own YouTube.
We're actually probably going to be getting that together today. So, and then we're probably going to have one together. So I'm going to have my separate one. He's going to have his separate one. And then we're going to have one together.
Yeah, because I'm the political one.
He's a freaking walking dictionary. Like, anything you want to ask him about, he probably knows. So, that's my husband. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video on what else you guys want to see from us, or from me personally, or from him personally. Like, anything y'all probably want to see, whether it's like anything related wise.
Gang. Family Dollar. Yeah, you lose.
Family Dollar up here.
Man, ain't nobody about to.
So yeah, we're just getting ourselves ready to go to the gym. So that's pretty much all that we're doing. So I'm gonna take over because it's going into the store. I spent $1. Whoa, how much was the ice cream yesterday?
Oh, because we didn't end up. Look how disrespectful people is to the earth. Like, just look at this. Like, somebody, you just had to dump that out your car in the parking lot. Your car smell like a straight pine tree.
So, yeah.
On our way to go work out, we go feed the ducks. I got one Gatorade, one water, so we can just share and switch up.
Okay, I'll go for sharing.
Switch up. Clearly. Come on, let's go to this. Go feed these little whole ass duckies.
I gotta drive.
That you can do.
We need to go, when we get paid, I need to go to Five Below and get something right here so we can vlog.
Man, I could get one of them boys for free for somebody, but I know what you're
So stupid. Alright guys, so we are here to feed the ducks. We're here to feed the ducks. Oh no, he got one foot. Hi. Hi.
Everybody, sorry.
No, you're fine. See the little doggies. Yeah, we're feeding the dogs. I can't even flip my camera. I'm so mad. But I'm gonna show you right now. We are feeding the ducks. Oh, that could be a thumbnail. Yeah, that's a thumbnail. I just made a thumbnail. Everybody's feeding the duck. Yeah, so we're feeding the ducks, guys. Feeding the ducks. they was very hungry. You know, my husband doing his dance, feeding them. Let's see my husband over there feeding them. So yeah, this is pretty much a vlog of us feeding the ducks and going to the gym. So we got our gym wear on. That was all the bread, babe?
Yeah, that's all of it.
Yeah, so we're on our way to the gym now. Let's get this workout on, guys. So yeah, guys, we're feeding the ducks. My husband has feeding them. They're hungry.
They are, ain't they?
My husband, eating them. I'm gonna take a picture. What up, guys? So we decided to work out at the park. One, just to save gas, and two, so I can actually vlog and show you guys what I do. There is this long trail at the park where we live that we can walk, and there's like pull-up bars and stuff here, so we decided to just work out. My husband is on the pull-up bars, of course, and I'm walking the trail, of course. And then that's pretty much what we're doing right now. So I am literally walking the trail. So I am gonna make sure that I have this video up by today. I'm gonna edit it and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm just walking the trail, getting my workout in, just pretty much making sure that I stay healthy. And we really are like really gonna be pushing our workout journey in the winter. And the reason why we're saying the winter is because, you know, in the summertime you're not thinking about working out. You're not. In the summertime you're thinking about barbecues, you're thinking about, you know, sun just brings out that feeling of wanting to eat, honestly. And that's for me. So my husband, he's vegan, so he don't eat any type of meat at all. I don't know, is it vegan or vegetarian? It's one of them. But yeah, he don't eat no type of meat at all, so he's good. And we're both Muslims, so we don't eat pork. So on top of it, so I wiped out all types of pork. So I don't eat no pork. Only thing that I eat is chicken, steak. I might eat shrimp here and there, you know, seafood and stuff like that. But I don't eat nothing that has, you know, pork in it. So we pretty much wiped all that out, which is really easy when you want to start losing weight. So there's so many different ways to start a diet with like steak and chicken and shrimp and stuff, because those are actually healthy. And it depends on what type of meat you're pretty much getting. I don't eat anything Tyson. I don't eat no Tyson meat because it's all processed. So I normally get either, I forgot what my husband called it. I think it's like crustin, something like that. But it's all natural and it's all made correctly. You don't have different hormones in the chicken and stuff like that. So that's the only type of meat that I eat, or like brand of meat that I eat. So that is one part of the journey that I am trying to work on. Is pretty much learning when to eat, when not to eat. So, because I love to eat, as you can see. I have my body trainer on right now. I have my my trainer on, and I have this orange solution that I wear that pretty much tones you and relax your muscles and, you know, helps you lose weight. But in the process of me getting this weight off, there's a lot of, you know, some saggy skin that's starting to appear. So with that, I'm probably gonna have to get surgery. And there's a way that you can get surgery without being underneath a knife. Thank God, alhamdulillah. But I just have to get more information. There's a fat burner or fat freezer or whatever that they do to eliminate your fat. So I'm thinking about doing that as well. So yeah, like I said, I'm just walking this beautiful trail with the trees, and that's pretty much what. Ooh, that could be that could be a thumbnail. I need to make a thumbnail. Guys. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, I had to make a thumbnail. Me walking the trail, exercising. So my husband is doing the bars and stuff, and I'm pretty much walking the trail and back. That's pretty much it. So I am pretty much going to end the vlog here. I just want to say, please do not give up on me yet. I am just starting back after a long 10 months. I still need help, still need work, so please support my YouTube channel. And I am also thinking about a new name, because I go by Breezy Beauty, but I want a new name. So give me some suggestions on names for my channel, a name for you guys, what to call you guys. I can call you guys Breezy Gang. I don't know what you guys want to be called, and names and all that. So give me some suggestions on that. Also comment on what more product you guys want to see from me video wise. I do work a full-time job, so this is something that I do on the side. So when it comes to posting videos, the only time that I can post videos is either when I have a day off or after work. So those are really the only 2 times where I can actually post. So I'm trying to make a whole bunch of videos through the weekend and then post them throughout the week so I can stay consistent for you guys. So please let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to call you guys. What should I call me when I introduce myself, when I open up my videos? I'm still trying to contact somebody regarding of an intro, so I'm working on that, trying to get that set up. So I want to at least be big around this time next year. So I chose to do YouTube a while back because I watch YouTube literally every day. I watch Queen, I watch Clarence, I watch the DMB Nation, I watch all of them, and they really inspired me to start back YouTube, because at first I gave up. I was so frustrated and like, this not working, nobody's trying to watch me, nobody is like really engaging. But you got to stay consistent and keep posting where people can really watch you. So that's what I'm trying to do, is stay consistent for you guys. So please forgive me if I miss a day or so, because I do work a full-time job. I have a husband, I have my own house, so it's a lot being married and stuff like that. And I can give you a little background about myself again. My name is Brianna Robinson Moore. My last name is hyphenated. Yes, I hyphen my last name because I worked really hard as Brianna Robinson, so I wanted to keep my last name for the sake of my grandfather passing away and all that stuff. So I wanted to keep my maiden name, but I also wanted to have my husband's last name, which is Moore. His Muslim name is Abdullah Akil, but his real name is Raphael. So yeah, work hard on that. But so I'm 21 years old. My husband is 27. We got married May 24th of this year. So we are still a newlywed. We've been married for 3 months now, going on 4 pretty soon. So yes, I married young. If you guys want to have me make a video about why I got married at the age of 21, I will post that video too. So, but that's pretty much a little background about me and a little background about my husband. And that's pretty much it there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on what you guys want to see from me. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.